Hi, welcome again to Go to Church series. I have here my friend Tuiasosopo and my friend Filippo Pazzi, and we're here to sing for you the song Go to Church. Is that the name of the song?
Church, yep. Go to church.
The name of the song is Go to Church. If you don't go to church, what is?
Then you just don't go to church.
Then you don't go to church. But you better go to church.
You better.
Alright, here's your Go to Church song. Church-Sisi'i o lima ya Yesu. Church-Sisi'i o leo pese aleluya. E foya te oe o mea umana e fai mata utau oi no matou matai. Church-Sisi'i o lima ya Yesu. Church-Sisi'i o leo pese aleluya. E foia te oe o mea umana e fai mata utau oi no matou matai. Pese aleluia, pese aleluia. E foia te oe o mea umana e fai mata utau oi lo matou matai. I lift up my hands and praise you. I lift up my voice, sing hallelujah. Everything that is on earth will worship you as we magnify your holy name, singing hallelujah, singing hallelujah. Everything that is on earth will worship you as we magnify your holy name. They say hallelujah, they say hallelujah, they say hallelujah. Hey, foia te oe o mea umana e fai mata utau oi lo matou matai. Te aleluia, te se aleluia. E foia te oe o mea umana e fai mata utau oi lo matou matai. Via oe, via oe, via oe. Loali, so matai e foia se oe o me umana e fai masa usau no maso matai. Go to church.